Hey, what's up YouTube? This is your girl Qgyrl on here doing a quick video for you guys. This is a quick declutter video. The items that I am setting aside will be for back to Mac. The items are either old, used, or I just no longer need them. So I'm going to go ahead and declutter. To start off, you guys, this is the Rihanna Viva Glam Lip Gloss. Lipglass, and I'm going to keep that. I'm going to keep the lipstick that she has right here. It's the matching lip gloss to, I want to say, Riri Woo. Of course, this is new. This is the Viva Glam Taraji, and I haven't even used that yet. This is new, and this is the color Myth. So that's what Myth looks like, and I don't think I've worn Myth, to be honest with you, and it's new. I have the Simpsons. I'm gonna go ahead and keep that as well. Here is MAC's Heroin. I'm going to keep that. I have Viva Glam. I want to say this is Viva Glam Nikki. Viva Glam Nikki? Yeah, I'm going to go ahead and let this go. It's not one of my favorite colors, and this is really, really old. Then I have Mariah Carey, which is, I want to say this is the one that's named after her daughter, Little Miss Monroe. So yes, definitely keeping this. Here is another one. This shade here is Candy Yum Yum. Definitely keeping that. This is, let's see. This is Mirror, but it's really, I forgot what it's called. This is from that, let's see, let me read it. This is from the Pedro Marengo collection. I got two of these. For one, MAC, they accidentally made a mistake with the labels. So they ended up giving me, I forgot what the name is, but it's not called Gold Mirror because Gold Mirror is actually a gold lip gloss. But yeah, they made an error with the labels, and I actually ended up getting two, which I don't mind because this is really pretty. As you can see, I really haven't used it, and it still looks good, so I'm going to keep it. This is from the Trolls. I had to have this color for some weird reason. This is turquoise or whatever. And it's spelled as in twerk, you know, like dance and twerk. So it's so funny. But yeah, I had to get this because I thought the packaging was cute and I like the color. So that's turquoise. And then here, this is from the Patrick Star collection. And this is, I believe, Mama Star. Yeah, I really like this. This is new. Here is Viva Glam Nikki. This is old, but you know what? It still looks good, so I think I'm going to keep it for now. So I'm just going to put that in the keep pile. This is Viva Glam Rihanna. As you can see, it still looks good, so I'm going to keep it. This has to go, though. Yeah, I'm not really a fan of this lip gloss. So I'm going to let this go. It's really sheer. It's not, you know, opaque coverage or anything. So, and let's see. This is Spice. Oh gosh, this is a pretty new liquid. I mean, not liquid, but lip gloss. So, I definitely recommend Spice. Very, very pretty. This lip gloss here is from the Sharon Osbourne collection, and I really like this shade, so I'm definitely going to keep that. As you can see, it still looks pretty good. It doesn't look crazy. The Star Wars. Oh, definitely keeping these two. Let's see. One is called Pleasure Planet, which is the one on the left, and the one on the right is called, let's see, Warp Speed Ahead. Aren't they pretty, y'all? I really like it's not a dazzle glass. They don't list it as a dazzle glass, but y'all, I love MAC's dazzle glasses, for real, for real. So these are pretty. Look at all that glitter. Okay. So here, I have, what is this shade called? This was from that beautiful collection. I remember this. This one is, I can't even see, y'all. I don't know why I don't have no lights on in here. Funny. Okay. This is Barbecue. You remember that line that came out with the husband and the wife? So pretty. They're like fashion designers, and they design clothes for like Lane Bryant, different companies. They're a well-known company. I cannot think of the name of the designers, but yeah, this is one of the items that I purchased. Somehow I was able to catch this, y'all. So 2 more left. I have the Simpsons lip gloss, and that one is in, let's see. Why do they make the writing so small? You know your girl wear glasses. Itchy Scratchy, yeah. How could I forget that? That is so corny. I remember waiting up trying to get this collection. It still looks okay. I'm going to keep it. It's a collector's item. And then the last one, like I said, I got 2 of these. So, and I think I used this one, as y'all can tell. I used this one, so I could put that in my back to Mac section. So that's what I have for the back to Mac pile here. Just 3 items. And I'm going to go ahead and keep the remaining items for now. I'm sure I'll be doing another declutter video by the end of the year. But that's it, you guys. Stay tuned for the lipstick declutter. Good luck with that. That's going to be a long video. Okay? And yeah, and this is my full MAC lip glass collection. So thanks so much for watching, you guys. Thank you for subbing to my channel. I appreciate you guys, and I love responding to the comments. So keep them coming, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye.